We're using a stock template to create a fresh bridal shower brunch invitation using a hand-drawn style that's really popular right now. I'm starting by deleting the text I don't need since the heading is going to be completely different. Then I'll make sure everything is centered before adding the new phrase, "First comes brunch, then comes marriage." With this kind of style, simplicity is really key. You don't need a lot going on for the design to look good. Now we need to move everything around a bit so it sits nicely in the center. We'll also need to make some room for a new illustration. I'm also going to add a small subheading that says, "A bridal shower for Emma." You can always find a cute graphic in Elements, but in this case, I'm going to use one that I've already uploaded. Now the colors are totally off, as you can see, so we're going to fix that next. Just changing the colors can completely change the feel of a design and help everything work together a lot better. And there you go. This kind of style just screams simple, modern, and trendy. It's also a great example of how a few small changes can completely transform a template into something very different. Let us know in the comments what you think and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this. And for more design tips and inspiration, don't forget to subscribe.